Are you tired of trying to decipher the mixed signals you get from the women you're interested in? Do you often wonder if she's just being friendly, or if there's a real spark between you two? Well, you're not alone. It can be incredibly frustrating trying to read someone's mind and understand what they really feel about you. But what if I told you that there are secret signs that women give off when they're highly attracted to someone? These signs are often subtle and easily missed if you don't know what to look for, but once you do, you'll be able to confidently pursue the women you're interested in. So in this video, we're going to reveal 15 secret signs that indicate she's highly attracted to you and provide you with the tools you need to become an expert in reading women's body language. Number 1. Frequent eye contact. One of the most common and important signs that a woman is highly attracted to you is when she makes frequent eye contact with you. Eye contact is a powerful tool in human communication and can convey a lot of information about a person's emotions, intentions, and level of interest. When a woman is interested in you, she will look into your eyes more often and for longer periods of time. This is a clear signal that she is paying attention to you and is genuinely interested in what you have to say. So, if you notice that she's locking eyes with you often, don't be shy to maintain that eye contact and see where it leads. Number 2. She smiles a lot. Another important sign that a woman is highly attracted to you is when she smiles a lot when she's around you. Smiling is a natural response to happiness and positive emotions, and if she's smiling a lot when she's with you, it's a good sign that she enjoys your company and is comfortable around you. Moreover, when a woman is attracted to someone, she tends to laugh more at their jokes and finds more things to smile about. So, if you notice that she's giggling and grinning often when you're talking to her, it's a good indication that she's into you. Number 3. She touches her hair. One of the most subtle and often missed signs that a woman is highly attracted to you is when she touches or plays with her hair. Hair is a powerful and sensual part of a woman's body, and when she's interested in someone, she'll unconsciously touch or play with it to draw attention to it. So, if you notice that she's running her fingers through her hair, twirling it around her finger, or tucking it behind her ear, it's a clear indication that she's attracted to you. It's a subconscious move to make her look more attractive and to draw your attention to her, so don't miss this clear signal. Number 4. She leans in when you speak. When a woman is highly attracted to you, she will naturally want to be closer to you. One way she might show this is by leaning in when you speak. This is a subconscious way of signaling that she's interested in what you have to say and wants to be close to you. She might also tilt her head slightly, which can be a further sign of interest. So if you notice that she's leaning in when you speak, it's a good indication that she's attracted to you and wants to get to know you better. Number 5. She initiates conversation. Another clear sign that a woman is highly attracted to you is when she initiates conversation. If she's taking the time and effort to talk to you, it's a good indication that she wants to get to know you better. This could be anything from starting a conversation about your interests to asking you questions about your day. Initiating conversation shows that she's comfortable around you and wants to establish a connection. So, if you notice that she's the one starting the conversation, take it as a sign that she's interested in you. Number 6. She laughs at your jokes. When a woman is highly attracted to you, she'll often laugh at your jokes, even if they're not that funny. Laughter is a sign of happiness, and if she's laughing a lot around you, it's a good indication that she enjoys your company and feels comfortable around you. Even if your jokes aren't the best, if she's laughing, it's a sign that she's attracted to you and wants to make you feel good. So, if you notice that she's laughing at your jokes, keep it up and continue to make her smile. Number 7. She asks personal questions. When a woman is highly attracted to you, she will want to get to know you on a deeper level. One way she might do this is by asking personal questions about your life, your interests, your goals, and your past experiences. By asking these kinds of questions, she's trying to establish a connection with you and show that she's interested in getting to know the real you. If you notice that she's asking you lots of personal questions, it's a good indication that she's attracted to you and wants to form a deeper bond. Number 8. She finds excuses to touch you. Another clear sign that a woman is highly attracted to you is when she finds excuses to touch you. This could be anything from a casual touch on the arm to a playful tap on the back. When she touches you, it's a clear indication that she feels comfortable around you and wants to establish a physical connection. It's important to note that not all touches are equal, and it's important to read the situation carefully. If her touch seems flirtatious and intentional, it's a good indication that she's interested in you. Number 9. She mirrors your body language. When a woman is highly attracted to you, she may unconsciously mirror your body language. This means that she might mimic your posture, your gestures, and your expressions without even realizing it. This is a sign of empathy and connection and shows that she's in tune with your emotions and wants to establish a deeper bond. If you notice that she's mirroring your body language, it's a good indication that she's highly attracted to you and wants to create a deeper connection. Number 10. She compliments you. When a woman is highly attracted to you, she'll often compliment you. This could be anything from a compliment on your appearance to a compliment on your personality or your accomplishments. Compliments are a way of showing appreciation, and if she's taking the time to tell you how much she likes something about you, it's a good indication that she's interested in you. So, if you notice that she's complimenting you often, take it as a sign that she's attracted to you. Number 11. She remembers small details about you. Another sign that a woman is highly attracted to you is when she remembers small details about you. This could be anything from your favorite food to your favorite movie. Remembering these small details shows that she's paying attention to you and is interested in getting to know you better. If she remembers things that you've told her in the past, it's a clear indication that she values your conversations and wants to establish a deeper connection with you. Number 12. She seems nervous around you. When a woman is highly attracted to you, she might become a bit nervous around you. This could manifest in a number of ways, such as fidgeting with her hands, speaking quickly, or avoiding eye contact. These signs of nervousness might seem like a negative thing, but they're actually a good indication that she's interested in you. Nervousness can be a sign of excitement, and if she's feeling excited around you, it's a clear indication that she's attracted to you and wants to make a good impression. So, if you notice that she seems nervous around you, take it as a sign that she's interested in you and wants to get to know you better. Number 13. She finds reasons to be near you. When a woman is highly attracted to you, she'll often find reasons to be near you. This could be anything from standing close to you at a party to sitting next to you at a gathering. When she's near you, she'll have more opportunities to talk to you and get to know you better. If you notice that she's always around when you're out with friends or at events, it's a clear indication that she's attracted to you and wants to be close to you. Number 14. She uses flirty body language. Another sign that a woman is highly attracted to you is when she uses flirty body language. This could be anything from playful touching to batting her eyelashes or flipping her hair. When she uses flirty body language, it's a clear indication that she's interested in you and wants to establish a connection. If you notice that she's using flirty body language, take it as a sign that she's attracted to you and wants to take things to the next level. Number 15. She seems jealous when you talk to other women. When a woman is highly attracted to you, she may become jealous when you talk to other women. This could manifest in a number of ways, such as giving you the cold shoulder or making snide comments about other women. Jealousy can be a sign of possessiveness, and if she's feeling possessive of you, it's a clear indication that she's highly attracted to you and wants to be with you. So, if you notice that she's getting jealous when you talk to other women, take it as a sign that she's interested in you and wants to be with you. However, it's important to remember that healthy communication is key, and you should always have an honest conversation to understand her feelings and reassure her of your intentions. In conclusion, if you're interested in a woman and trying to figure out if she's attracted to you, there are many secret signs that can help you decipher her feelings. From frequent eye contact to playful touching, these signs can help you determine if there's a real spark between you two. By learning how to read women's body language, you can confidently pursue the women you're interested in and take your relationship to the next level. That's why we recommend that you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you how to read women's body language. This video will provide you with more tips and strategies for reading women's body language and will help you become an expert in understanding women's feelings and intentions. So, don't hesitate to check it out and take your dating game to the next level. Thanks for watching.